Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix Dota 2 corrupted update files. So let's get started. Now for the first method, you just need to open the Steam launcher. After that, go to Steam, select it in the top left corner. After that, select settings. Now go to downloads, scroll down. In the clear download cache, select clear cache. After that, select confirm. After that, Steam will relaunch automatically. For the next method, go to Steam. After that, go to settings. Instead of downloads, now go to storage. Select these three dots, which is settings. After that, select repair library. Now Steam is repairing the necessary files. If exist, you just need to wait for a couple of moments. Now once this finishes, you just need to select close and you should be good to go. For the next method, go to library. After that, select collections. Now select Dota 2. You need to search it from here. After that, you need to select this gear icon, which is manage, and select properties. Now this tab will pop up. You need to select installed files in the left menu, and from here you need to click on verify integrity of game files. That way any corrupted file will be safely recovered and fixed without any issues, as you can see here. Now all you need to do is to go to the Windows taskbar. You can see the upside arrow right here. Open it. After that, go to the Steam icon, right click. After that, select exit Steam. Now all you need to do, you can just safely launch Dota 2 without any issues. If you still have issues, make sure to go to the Windows icon. After that, restart your computer. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe, and see you on the next one.